Hey everyone, Fruity here, about to do something real stupid. We got these Armageddon Habaneros that I've been growing. I'll give the garden tour after I try a bite. They are 1.3 million Scovilles, which is like 5 times hotter than a normal habanero. Almost as hot as a Carolina Reaper. So I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, just a sliver. Even this seems like too much. All right, like jumping into an ice cold pool. This seems incredibly stupid. Yeah. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. There you go. My mouth is on fire. I'm crying. Holy shit. What?
I'll be your camera here when we go around.
Wow. There's like a little piece of my mouth. I can't get it out. All right. I need to get a drink. Stop the video. Yeah. So it looked like it was hot. Alright, try pepper tour? Let's do it. Oh my god. Not sure if there was just an ant on my hand or I was hallucinating. My lips are on fire. Hi. Alright, so we're not gonna do a pepper tour. I can't. I'm barely functioning right now. Nose is running. Yep, just did that outside. Oh, we're gonna look at the beast that did this, and we're gonna call it a day, because I need some help. Oh my goodness. Here she blows. So you can see all those. Oh my god. I need to go lay down. This is our normal habanero plant. You can see we got some nice colors there. I think there were some tips I wanted to share. Oh yeah. So, for peppers, one thing I'll do, you could see down here, all these nodules. I basically cut the peppers so they grow higher up. Oh my god. And I don't know if that seems to help them get bigger or not, but that's just the one I do. So if I showed you all the plants, you would see that. But the last thing, come and show you all the ties. So in a couple weeks, it's like a forest. There's going to be thousands of red ones. Right now, we just have a couple of red ones on a couple of the plants. See here, this one's kind of mid-turn, if you will. Lots of green. They look great. I can barely talk. Red one right there, if you could see it. And that's about it. My god.
You don't.
I'm okay, I think. Let me show you these real quick. No, you know what? I can't. Ties behind me. Wow. That was like getting kicked into private parts. Very, very hard. And it's only been a couple minutes. We'll see. Maybe I'll do some check-ins as the day goes. My mouth is still incredibly hot. I can't stop salivating. But after a few minutes, it seems to have died down a bit. I'm afraid to drink anything. This was fun. Should be interesting to use that for some hot sauce, although, yeah, it's more like prank sauce than anything else, I think. Okay, I'm gonna go get myself some ice cream. hope this was entertaining. My kids were worried as I was filming this, but made it out in one piece. So, appreciate you watching. See you the next time.